Hi guys! Kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pala kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin yung tiny bell button dito sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa cover song ni Echo Claridad. So kinanta niya dito yung Decorated My Life ni Kenny Rogers. And nasa mall siya. Kaya i-play na natin ito guys without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. So, here we go. Swerte naman nila, nakita nila si Echo.
Till you move with your fan, changing moods now and then, till the balance was right. And you added some music, every note was symbolized, and your body could see all the changes in me. But the look on my face, and you
Ang galing.
decorated my life, created the world where dreams are apart. And you decorated my life.
Grabe naman din kasi yung face card ni Echo.
Like a wreck with no reason, it could finish song.
Ang dami na nun.
There was no harmony
Yung mga yakon eh.
left and nothing
Mga mall stop.
until you came along
Napahinto.
and you brought up the chorus with a gentle surprise. Now I'm able to say all the things life can be. Some soft in your eyes, and you decorated my life, created the world where dreams are apart. And you decorated my life by breathing your love all over my heart. You decorated my
Ang
life.
galing talaga ni Echo.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Diba? Ang ganda talaga ng boses ni Echo, no? Sobrang linis niyang kumanta. Yung diction sobrang clear. Tapos pag kumakanta kasi siya is nanggagaling talaga sa puso. And pag kumakanta siya is para siyang nagkukwento.